Back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a few things. First, we're going to try a number generator, random number generator, and then we're going to go into if conditions. So let's start it out. The first thing you want to do for your random number generator is you want to import a library. A library is basically a collection of code, and in order to access it you have to import. So let's write import, and then today we're going to be importing the random library. Hopefully in the future we're going to be exploring different libraries. So let's write import random. Then we want to write random dot rand int. Rand stands for random integer and random stands for the library name. So random dot rand int, and then the range. So let's pick 1 to 100. A random number is going to be appearing between 1 and 100. Let's write random int equals random int 1 equals, because we want to print it, right? So we have to put it in a variable, or else we won't be able to print it. Then print random int 1. Now it should come up as a random number each time. Let's try this out. 26, 24, 52, 64. There we go. Now we can do it as many times as we wish. Let's do it one more time. Random int 2 equals random dot rand int 1 to 1000 this time. Then let's try print random int 2. Okay, should work. Should be show 2 numbers. Cool, right? Okay, so this is all good. Now let's start into our if conditions. So if conditions are basically if this thing happens, do this. You know? Basically a cause and effect. If this thing happens, then do this. So if, for example, this is not the real code, I'm just trying to say, if random int 1 is 200 or 20, do print good job, like this. But the real code is if random int 1 equals in Python equals means equals. You can't use 1 equals. It's gonna mean something else. So if random int 1 equals, or actually let's not do equals, let's do less than or equal to. If random int 1 is less than or equal to 50, print good job, you win the game. Now this might work. Good job. Yeah, there we go, because it's 11 and you can see good job, you win the game. Now you can do that as many times as you want. You can do it again. If random int, let's do for random int 2 this time. Random int 2 is less than or equal to 500, print great job, you win the game. Might or might not work first time, maybe second time. Come on, there we go. So this is just some if conditions. Now it just doesn't work with numbers. You can use it for letters too. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys it can work with letters too. So, for example, let's write color. Let's write my favorite color equals print, or input, sorry. Input. What is your favorite color? Now, here's where the if conditions come in. If my favorite color equals, remember equals means equals to something. You have to write a double equals. If my favorite color equals blue, right, and then colon, can't forget that, indent, if my favorite color equals to blue, then print, great, that's my fave too. If, and then, yeah, if my fave color equals to red, colon, then print, oh, I don't like that color. So let's try this out. And if we print, for example, like yellow, if we write for like example like yellow or blue or something, or not blue, yellow or like any other color except for blue and red, it won't do anything. Let's try that out first. Pink. Yes, there we go. What's your favorite color? Let's try blue. Wait, we can't space, cause let's stop this. There we go. Now let's try red. It works. Let's just try another color one more time. Yellow. Okay. This is just the introduction to if conditions and the random library. I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.